Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for all things engineering and business. Today, we have an essential topic that can elevate your professional communication to the next level. We'll be discussing how to write the best email for business. As an engineer, effective communication is key to success, and email plays a vital role in our daily work. Whether you're reaching out to clients, colleagues, or potential employers, crafting a well-written email can make all the difference. Step 1. Clear and concise subject line. Step 1. Let's talk about the subject line. A clear and concise subject line grabs the reader's attention and helps them understand the purpose of your email. Avoid vague or generic subjects and be specific to ensure your message stands out in a crowded inbox. Instead of writing meeting, try request for meeting, project XYZ discussion, urgent. This instantly conveys the purpose and urgency of the email, increasing the chances of a prompt response. Step 2. Polite and professional tone. Moving on to step 2, the tone of your email is crucial. It's essential to maintain a polite and professional tone throughout your message. Remember, your email is a reflection of your professionalism and credibility. Begin with a courteous greeting and address the recipient by their appropriate title. Use proper grammar, spelling, and punctuation to convey your message clearly and avoid misunderstandings. Proofread your email before hitting that send button. Step 3. Clearly state your purpose. Always clearly state the purpose of your email. Be concise and get straight to the point. Your recipient should understand the reason for your message within the first few sentences. Start with a brief introduction, followed by the main content, and conclude with a clear call to action. Use bullet points or numbered lists when appropriate to enhance readability. Step 4. Use proper email etiquette. Step 4. Let's talk about email etiquette. It's important to be mindful of the recipient's time and avoid sending lengthy emails unless necessary. If your message is too long, consider attaching a well-structured document instead. Also, use proper email formatting, including paragraphs and line breaks, to make your email visually appealing and easy to read. Avoid using excessive capitalization or overusing exclamation marks, as it may come across as unprofessional. Step 5. Closing with a professional sign-off. Finally, Step 5. The email sign-off. It's essential to end your email on a professional note. Depending on the level of formality, options like best regards, sincerely, or thank you followed by your name are safe choices. Also, consider including your contact information in your email signature for easy reference. So, to recap, remember the importance of a clear subject line, a polite and professional tone, stating your purpose clearly, following proper email etiquette, and ending with a professional sign-off. Thanks for watching.